Alright, in this video, I'm gonna give you an example how to use program A and program B. I have an Orbit 6 station timer as an indoor timer. And I wrote down what I'm gonna be doing. Program A, I have station 1 and 2, which is the front yard grass, and station 2 is the backyard grass, which has 8 minutes. And program B, I have station 3, which is trees, station 4, succulents, and then they have 6 minutes. This is just an example how to do it, and you guys can do your own time. All right, so I'm gonna separate the trees and the succulents from the grass, because the grass require more time and more days. So I'm gonna schedule the grass to water 4 times a week because it's summer, and trees don't require 4 days a week, so that's why I'm gonna separate them. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start with program A. So in program A, I'm gonna look for station number 1. So I'm gonna go for that's station 1. You can see the station 1, it has 6 minutes, so I'm gonna add 2 more minutes. I'm gonna press enter. So station 2, like I said, is also grass, so I'm gonna do also 8 minutes. I'm gonna press enter. I want to show you that station 1 it has 8 minutes, station 2 has 8 minutes, and station 3, I don't want station 3 to come on in program A, so I'm gonna remove the time and I'm gonna press clear. There you go. So station 3 has no time, so I'm going with the arrow to station 4, and it has no time. So that means the only 2 stations are set in program A. So I'm double checking that. All right, so now the start time is at 5 a.m., which is fine for program A. Now I'm gonna switch to hot oven, and as you can see, it has already Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is scheduled to come on, but because we are in the middle of summer, I'm gonna add 1 more day. So I'm gonna add Saturday, so it will be Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I'm gonna add Saturday. There you go. All right, so now I had 4 days scheduled to come on in program A. All right, so now we're moving on to program B. So I'm gonna press right here. So now I'm in program B. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is start time. All right, so the start time for program A will be 5 a.m. and also I'm gonna do 5 a.m. for program B because I'm choosing different days. It's not gonna be affected any of those programs. But if you're planning to use the same days, I recommend it to use for program B at different time. All right, so the start time for program B will be also 5 a.m. I just happen to like 5 a.m., but you guys can do a different time. I just like to get my plants in the lawn, get water early in the morning. And I'm gonna press enter. All right, so all right, so now we're gonna switch to runtime for program B. We're not gonna add time to station 1 or station 2. Number 2, so I don't want time for number 2, and I wanna add time station 3. All right, so I want 6 minutes for station 3, and I'm gonna add time, pressing plus, and press enter. And for station 4, I'm going to add 6 minutes as well. Press class. So 6 minutes, press enter. Alright, so nothing for number 5, nothing for number 6. Nothing for number 1, nothing for number 2. Just 3 and 4 in program B. Alright, so how often? Alright, so I'm gonna press program B, so that will change. Alright, there we go. So for program B, I want Tuesday and I want Thursday. So I got in program A, I got Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, and in program B, I got Tuesday and Thursday. All right, so it looks like it's set. So that's one of the ways you can use program A and program B for this Orbit timer.